Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to delete contacts in Mailchimp. Deleting contact is a very essential and important thing to do within your Mailchimp platform. It helps you a lot to clean up old data and renew it with new one. Of course, this comes with risks and tolerances that you need to take in consideration. First, when you delete a data, there is two options. Let me show you what are these options. For example, this is my contact that I have here. If I try to delete it, they will tell me that either I can permanently delete for compliance reasons. They ask me to, and I must comply with the privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. But in general, what you should take into consideration, if you delete it permanently, you will not be able to actually add it again. And what I highly recommend you guys is to archive it in case you are not sure about your decision. So archive it, just simply clean up my audience. They are not responsive to my marketing and other. For example, this audience is not really responding. You're not making money through it. This data is old enough. So what you should do in that case is simply archive it. So basically, you're waiting for response. So you might want to just archive it. But if this data is very dead, nothing is coming from it, you're losing money on it, then I highly recommend you to write this. Go here and permanently delete it. I understand. Copy this or write down permanently delete. You can also, my mistake. It has to be written in capital letters and click on permanently delete. And as you can see, this is how you can clean up your data, delete contacts, and free yourself from your old data. It's very easy and very simple, nothing complicated much about it. It's just a few clicks here and there, and it will be all clean and ready to go. So yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.